Hey students, in this video we are going to learn part 3 of journal entries. It's related to sales transactions. Okay, see the learning objectives and let's check in. Welcome back to Jayanthi's Academy of Commerce and Management. Without any delay, let's get started. Today we are going to do sales related journal entry transactions. First transaction is Arjun commence business with cash. Okay. That means here Arjun is investing his money into the business. So according to business entity concept, we treat owner as well as business as two different entities. Again in journal entries, how do we record the same transaction? See, two accounts are involved. One is personal account, another is real account. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay na? Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So how to write journal entry? When Arjun is depositing money into the business, what is coming inside? Cash. Cash related to real account. Real account rule, debit what comes in. That's why we are debiting cash. Debit what comes in. What is coming in? Cash. 2. Capital account. Why we are writing 2 capital account? Because credit the giver. Okay. Owner is giving. Owner represents in personal account. So is giving money. That's why capital is being credited. He is giving money in which format? Capital format. That's why we write cash account debtor to capital account. Two accounts are involved. Personal account, real account. 2 lakhs at debit column as well as credit column. And we will also write narration being commenced business with cash. Okay. I hope you all understood. Now second transaction, sold goods to Sonu for cash. You are selling goods to Sonu. Okay, and Sonu is paying you cash. Then what is the need of remembering Sonu? No need, right? Your cash is coming and your sales are going. No need to remember name. You need to simply ignore name. So what is the journal entry? Debit what comes in. What is coming in? Cash. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash is coming inside the business and what is going out? Goods are going out, sales are going out. So write down cash account debtor to sales account. Amount at the debit and credit and narration being sold goods for cash. Okay, understood? Now we have third transaction, sold furniture to Vishwam for 30,000. Here you need to identify the transaction. It is given for, they simply mentioned for, they didn't mention for cash, even though it is cash transaction only. I already told you many times in previous videos only. Okay, saying that you need to identify the transactions with the wordings for cash is mentioned or not. If it is mentioned, it is cash transaction. At least they have to mention sold furniture to Vishwam for, that for word. Then also it is cash transaction only. Okay, so how to write? When you are selling furniture to Vishwam for 30,000 rupees, cash is given. Cash is coming inside and furniture is going outside. What is the need of remembering Vishwam? No need. Simply ignore his name and write the transaction like cash account debtor to furniture account. Don't write sales again. See, when particular asset is mentioned, write particular asset like to furniture only. When goods are mentioned, write to sales. Okay, what is coming inside in third transaction? Cash is coming inside. What is going out? Furniture is going out. Specific asset is mentioned. So cash account debtor to furniture account. Okay, narration being furniture sold for cash. Amount at debit and credit 30,000 each. Next, last transaction, we have fourth transaction, that is sold machinery to Priya. Here again you need to identify the transaction. For cash is given? No. For is given? No. Then what is given? Nothing. They only mentioned sold machinery to Priya. means it is credit transaction. You sold machinery to Priya, but Priya didn't pay you money, so she should yet to pay. Okay, so what do you write in journal entry? What actually you should receive? Cash, but debit what comes in, but really cash is coming in? No. So instead of writing cash, write Priya's name, so that you will identify that Priya should give you money. Priya's account to debtor. 2. What is going out? Machinery is going out. Okay, to machinery's account, being machinery sold to Priya on credit basis, 15,000 both the sides. I hope these sales transactions are identified by you and understood by you clearly. Open your textbook, find out certain transactions, identify whether it is cash transaction or credit transaction, and purchase various journal entries related to purchases, sales, all these transactions from your book, and comment on the comment section if you have any doubts. So in the next video we are going to learn about expenses and losses, incomes and gains, which is also called as nominal account, which will be available in the upcoming video. Please do watch it. Okay, if you are loving our content and for more knowledgeable lectures, please do like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more interesting updates from Jayanthi's Academy of Commerce and Management. Then keep practicing. Okay, take care.